Hey guys, welcome back. So after a sour end to this fantastic test season, we are back at the IPL. Uh, काफी weird transition होगा ये for the players, I guess, कि इतना जल्दी in 1 week's time you are going from red ball to white ball, from swinging conditions to spinning conditions, from looking to survive the day to trying to score 110 overs. It will be an interesting transition. Many players are missing out. Many teams are changed bottom up, and yeah, it's a weird time and it's a weird tournament. I can say. What do you think, Rohan? I can say. What do you think, Rohan?
या अभी हो गया जो हो गया वो हो गया। सो आईपीएल में आते हैं तो अभी टेबल देख के तो लग रहा है कि अभी जो टॉप फोर है वही टॉप फोर फिनिश होगा। क्योंकि क्या बोलते हैं, टॉप थ्री लुक गुड बट फोर्थ इज एमआई। दे they usually step up their game at this stage of the tournament and they have Bumrah. So I think top four, this should be pretty much it, hopefully. But let's see, there could be a lot of surprises. There have been a lot of players who are coming in, new players, some exciting talent. Hasaranga, we spoke about Hasaranga. Livingstone, he has had an incredible the 100. Tabriz Shamsi has joined Rajasthan, number one ranked T20 bowler now. So I think there's a lot of there are a lot of interesting players now. Pat Cummins misses out, so we might see Lockie Ferguson into the KKR lineup. Bairstow misses out, so we might see Jason Roy or probably David Warner come back into the SRH team. Punjab Kings, they just took Aiden Markram instead of Malan. Chris Gale, how his body is doing after 40, 42, whatever his age is now. So I think there is a lot to look forward to, even though it's a crunched, packed schedule. आई थिंक इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग। मैं तो स्केड्यूल अपना ऐसा प्लान करता हूँ कि टीवी पे क्या देखूँ। तो आई थिंक मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत मजा आएगा मेरे को। बट देर आर लॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू। टीम बाय टीम भी हम जा सकते हैं एंड वील फाइंड अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट।
या मतलब आई रियली लाइक योर पॉइंट कि अपना टॉप फोर जो अभी ये टेबल में दिख रहा है अपने को, सी एस के, डीसी, सी एस के, आरसीबी, एमआई, टू बी ऑनेस्ट देर इज वेरी लिटिल चांस कि ये चेंज हो। मैं तेरे को उसका रीजन बोलता हूँ। एसआरएच हैज टू मच कैचिंग अप टू डू। लाइक 6 मैच हारा, 1 मैच जीता है, 7 में 7 जीतना उनको, या 7 में 6 जीतना है, टू मच वर्क। आई डोंट सी दैट हैपनिंग। KKR, आई डोंट like, do you have any comments on SRH? I mean, end mein, they left a sour taste in the mouth with removing Warner and stuff like that didn't go well, I guess. But इस बार क्योंकि अभी वो बेयरस्टो नहीं है तो वार्नर को लाना ही पड़ेगा। तो उस लेवल पे तो मतलब
Yeah, see, I think the first week is almost going to be like the first week of the first phase of the IPL. Teams will be trying to figure out what to do and all those things because क्या बोलते हैं, completely different conditions to what you had expected in Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Kolkata for that matter. So I think वो एक 2 games सबको थोड़ा बफर होने में लग जाएगा। Especially अभी तू देखेगा तो पंजाब has already played 8 games now. So they have only 6 in hand. Uh, so SRH ka, it's the Rashid Khan factor. I think if he decides, okay, spinning pitches 3 for 20 in each game, maybe, who knows? Cricket is a funny sport, so कुछ भी हो सकता है. But yeah, top four looks solid. But let's see. Hopefully there is a surprise down the line.
yeah, I agree. I mean, SRH के लिए specifically looks difficult. So our idea is to go from 8 to 1, trying to see every team's overview in a very short span. Moving on, KKR. Uh, their recent form is very bad, but it's now irrelevant क्योंकि बहुत time हो चुका है. So everything starts from zero. But their
Yeah, I think
captaincy change.
yeah. See, I think it's a blessing in disguise that Cummins is not playing. With all due respect to Cummins, I think in those conditions, Lockie Ferguson is a better asset than Pat Cummins because he has those he bowls 140 plus easily, and he also has that deceptive slower one whenever required. So I think that he will definitely play instead of they play RCB first up. So I think uh, he'll be a very good addition to the side. Varun Chakravarti, he'll be flying after getting into the Indian team for the World Cup squad, so he can be another X factor for them. Morgan, he has struggled for runs of late with England. Even in the 100, he struggled for runs, so that will be interesting. Dinesh Karthik hasn't played a lot of cricket. The Nitesh Rana and all those guys haven't played anything since the Sri Lanka tour. So Shubman Gill is recovering from the injury. So there are Andre Russell. You know, if he gets going, then he can say, "Okay, I'll win the match on my own." So
दो
I
साल
think
हो
there's a
गया
lot of, huh?
2 साल हो गया उसको भी हुए हुए तो
So exactly. So there are a lot of ifs and buts going on. But I think, yeah, it's difficult. Looks difficult right now. But I think the first 7 days of the season, of the second part of the season, will give us a good idea.
या आई मीन आई टेंड टू एग्री उनके काफी प्लेयर्स तो कमेंटेटर्स बन गए हैं अभी दिनेश कार्तिक इंटरव्यूज ले रहा है लोगों के तो आई
I
थिंक
think that's a really good trend that he has set, to be very honest.
yeah I enjoy that. I'm just kidding, but but jokes apart, I mean their team looks weak at this point. Like उनके players जो है bowling lineup में उतना strength नहीं दिख रहा है. Cummins भी जब भी था भी तभी उतना fascinating bowler नहीं बन पाया था जितना उससे expectation था. So all in all, for this team to break into the top four looks a little far fetched at this point.
Yeah,
Next is
completely agree.
पंजाब किंग्स. क्या नाम था इनका? पीवीकेएस क्या था यार, मैं भूल गया.
Let's stick with Punjab Kings.
Yeah, so इनका so interestingly they are one of the two teams that has played 8 matches. So अगले 7 में they need to be winning at least 4
Four?
to
Yeah,
you know
four
stand
for the net run rate. Yeah.
in the next 6 they need to win 4 because their net
Yeah.
run rate is not very impressive in any case. So yeah, another team which kind of lacks luster, I would say. What do you think?
Yeah, pitch change होने वाला है. And they have stroke makers in. Okay, Rahul can score in all conditions, but Mayank or Gale, Puran for that matter, Shah Rukh Khan for that matter, or even some of the players that they tried, Moses Hendricks or someone like that, they are all free flowing batsmen. They need assistance from the pitch and all those things. Like they need good batting wickets. So I think it can be a little bit tricky for them. It's about how quickly they get. Of course, we can't say too much of the universe policy. He has done it in all conditions, but it's about how quickly they get used to the conditions in the UAE, because it will be completely different to. They played in 5 games in Mumbai. Now they are going to UAE, where the ball is going to turn. Maybe Sharjah will suit them, but I think a lot will again depend on KL Rahul. So yeah, let's see. Interesting. Again, I think table अभी थोड़ा देखने से मतलब नहीं है. 7 days into the tournament, we'll get a very clear idea as to where players are. Aiden Markram is an interesting inclusion instead of Malan. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean Malan is technically the number 1 T20 player or batsman, I think, at this point. But yeah, Markram in those conditions might be good. They need some change, I think, in their structure. हमने देखा था कि इनके बैटिंग लाइनअप में डेप्थ नहीं है. पिछले सीजन ये लोग ने मुजीब को एक बार 7 पे भेजा था, if I remember correctly. So they need certain things to go in their favor big time. And of course, I mean, a lot depends on Gale, I would say. If he gets going, तो क्या मतलब फिर कोई और क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है. फिर अपना पूरी टीम सही दिखने लगेगी. But it's just, I think, it's too much dependence on like the core of the team, Gale, Rahul, and so on.
I think the interesting trend of among all teams this year is in this part is the mystery leg spinner that they all have tried to get into their team. If you look at SRH, they have Rashid. KKR have Varun. Punjab have Bishnoi. Rajasthan have picked up Tabraiz Shamsi. Mumbai have Rahul Chahar. Rectangle. RCB took Hasaranga into their side. CSK, do they have the leg spinner? I don't think they
Tahir
have.
hai, but they don't.
Tahir hai, yeah, but I don't think he'll get into the 11. Delhi also, I don't think they have that mystery spinner, so to speak. But I think that is very interesting among all the teams. So Punjab, basically what my point was that if Punjab are to win against the other, more times than not. 4 out of 6 is what we saw earlier. I think it's going to be difficult because if this pitch 8 spin, then these Hasarangas, the Chahals, the Rahul Chahars, the Samsis, they're all capable of winning the match on their own. So I think against a team like Punjab that likes to go after the bowling, that could be a little bit tricky. So that will be a very interesting contest, to be very honest. Rahul, Mayank, Puran and Gale against these leg spinners.
Yeah. Moving on, राजस्थान रॉयल्स, तो ये एक टीम है जो इनका पूरा मतलब जूस ही निकाल लिया है. लगता है स्ट्रॉ डाल के किसी ने ऑरेंज में से पूरा वैक्यूम कर दिया, अंदर कुछ बचा ही नहीं अभी. खाली टीम है बेसिकली. जो इनके स्टार थे, आर्चर, बटलर, स्टोक्स, they are all gone. And yeah, it looks like they are the closest team to the top 4 which can, you know, change the status quo at this point, but I don't like their team doesn't look very promising. उनके कुछ जो बड़े नाम है वो भी बहुत इराटिक है. संजू सैमसन एक आईपीएल में एक बार गेम जिताता है, और बाकी तो आई कांट इवन रिमेम्बर लाइक उनके एक्स फैक्टर्स तो जो थे सारे
क्रिस मॉरिस.
I mean, he's a supporting cast, I would say. I don't think he's the hero in there. He can be the hero, but yeah, I mean, it looks difficult for them as well. So that's what, again, the Indian players stepping up is what they would require ideally. The bowling, you know, coming to the forte, and in the last IPL we saw कि UAE में वो क्या नाम है वो, या क्या जिसने वो 5 छक्के मारे थे इसको, Tewatia. So all those players, you know, coming into the groove and you know, showing their inner class might, you know, change fortunes for them. But yeah,
their Indian core has to step up. I'm looking forward to watching Tabraiz Shamsi and Liam Livingstone. He had a great the 100, the first edition of the 100. So it will be nice to see what he does in UAE conditions, especially that he's also been selected for the World Cup squad of England. And also Shamsi, he has had a wonderful 12 months. So an IPL, obviously, it's a different challenge, but the pitches will favor him. So I think that will be very, very interesting. So yeah, let's see. It will be a interesting first 7 days, as I keep mentioning for all teams.
Yeah, so now coming into the top 4, Mumbai Indians, I think looks very stable. I don't know what's it about them. They don't, अगर वो लोग
they start slow,
वो लोग SRH की जगह होते ना और मुंबई होता ये स्क्वाड, तो I would still say कि ये आएंगे टॉप 4, you know.
Yeah.
कि इनके कोर इतने ज्यादा experienced हो चुके हैं ऐसे, you know, ये स्टेज पे of the IPL, so they you can't go wrong with Mumbai Indians, I would say. From the
a lot of factors, leadership of Rohit,
finishing
exactly.
touches, to spin bowling now with Rahul Chahar and everyone, they have it all covered. I don't see a problem.
Yeah, exactly. They have their bases covered, and they have a core that has been together for a number of years, which always helps because you know what to do in difficult situations. You know which player will do what in those situations, which I think is one problem for almost all the teams except Chennai and Mumbai, and they rightfully are the most successful franchise. So I think, yeah, Mumbai, I still expect them to be in the top 2. From an Indian fan's point of view, I hope that they get knocked out before the playoffs so that Bumrah gets another 2 weeks off. That's my only, because you know he's going to be our X factor in the World Cup. So we'll keep that aside for some time, hopefully. But yeah,
definitely. RCB, तेरा favorite team और मेरा भी sort of favorite team.
Yeah, I have. You know, this is one, if abhi ye 12th या 13th season hai, again coming from an Indian fan's point of view, if there is one season where I said, okay, if they don't win this season, it's completely okay, it would be this season because of the bubble and the short, क्या बोलते हैं, no time between.
तू ऐसा, मैं तेरे को 5 साल से जानता हूँ, तू ऐसा सब 5 साल से बोल रहा है, ठीक है, कि ये सीजन में ये है, वो सीजन में वो है.
नहीं 100% नहीं, घंटा. मैं तो जब खेल रहे तभी तो 100% of course I want them to win.
नहीं, अभी तो थक गया, ऐसे अभी तो बोल रहा है कि हाँ नहीं जीतोगे तो भी चलेगा.
नहीं, वो तो वैसा तो 100% till I support the team, I will want them to win obviously, but this season is a freak season, to be very honest. because of the truncated calendar and the bubble
But
and
अभी
whatever.
see that I won't consider a factor because it's the same for all the 8 teams. ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ आरसीबी के लिए truncated था वो.
हाँ, so I'm
kind of
thinking
level
from a
up
personal point of view, ना इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ
from a
कि
lot of
personal
teams, you
point
know,
of view.
yeah, I mean, that's true, but from a lot of teams जिनको disadvantage है कि काफी players चले गए हैं ये इस चीजों की वजह से, तो thankfully आरसीबी के साथ ऐसा नहीं है, बस एक है कि इनका net run rate थोड़ा.
Yeah, from that point of view, this is the best RCB squad that I've ever seen, to be very honest. So there are ऐसा dilemma में हूँ क्या करूँ.
देख मैं कहूँगा कि ये बेस्ट है क्योंकि इसमें शिवम दुबे नहीं है, मतलब dude, कैसे उसको यार 4-5 पे खिलाते थे यार एक कोई तो सीजन में, उसको क्या समझते थे क्या पता रहे.
We had Ashish Nehra as our
coach
or something at that point. So look, team wise I think this is the best squad that in the 13 years
in the last 5-6
years
Virat, sure. I think before that जब राहुल और ये लोग सब थे, Rahul Decop,
even then I don't think we had the sort of batting and bowling depth, to be very honest.
भाई डेल्स फॉर्म ये सब मिचेल स्टार्क था उस टाइम पे.
स्टार्क का सराउंड सपोर्टिंग कास्ट देखना, मेरे को याद भी नहीं कौन था.
अरविंद
exactly. So that's what I'm saying, there was no consistency, क्या बोलते हैं, relentless bowling attack, because now you have Siraj, now you have Jamieson, we have Harshal Patel who has done really well the last time, you have Chahal, you have Hasaranka, and you have batting depth with AB coming down at 5. So I think this is a very well balanced squad, and I think this is the best squad that we have had, and hopefully we can deliver success on the field too this time round. So I have high hopes from them, but let's see, it's RCB, so it's
I still hope कि at least I hope कि they win actually. CSK के पास बहुत टाइटल है, इनको
let's see.
Next, moving on to my favorite team, CSK. Dhoni.
I'm wearing yellow for them.
But yeah, उनका honestly उनका टीम देख के पिछले 3 साल से मेरे को 4 साल से लग रहा है, जब से उनका रिटर्न आया 1920-21 सीजन ये हो गया, मेरे को 4 साल से लग रहा है यार टीम बराबर नहीं है, मतलब ये नहीं पहुंचेंगे, पर 3 साल तो I was proven wrong completely. So let's see. I
think the trend is continuing now also. That trend is continuing now also. They are proving.
I think they are finding people to step up. You know, when people don't expect people like Moeen Ali, Sam Curran, Ravindra Jadeja, all these.
Ruturaj Gaikwad.
Du Plessis is doing his own thing as he always does, and Dhoni is totally out of form, or at least totally was out of form for the last part of that season. But still, he seemed like he was playing as a mentor in the team actually, which I'm okay with. I mean, keeping में उसका problem नहीं है, fitness में उतना problem नहीं है, थोड़ा मोटा हो गया था, but yeah, he's not even trying to go up the order or anything. He's just enjoying his game, and bowling थोड़ा weakness हो सकता है, but we'll see. I mean, as the tournament goes on, वो pitches.
Yeah, maybe at Sharjah they might struggle a little bit
because वो pitches पे they don't have any kind of penetrative.
Exactly. क्योंकि मोइन को अभी पोलार्ड को मोइन डालेगा, जडेजा डालेगा तो he'll destroy them.
Sam Curran डालेगा, Bravo डालेगा. Bravo is no longer the player he was at one point. So yeah,
but Dhoni keeps trusting them and they keep delivering. So hopefully they continue to do it this season as well. So it will be interesting. Yeah, let's see.
And they're in a good position with the net run rate and everything. So they need a couple of more wins to be safe, and then they can go from there.
And mind you, if I'm not wrong, the last match that they played was the CSK versus Mumbai, where Mumbai chased down 220 and Pollard smacked that 80 of 30 or something like that. So that match, if it goes the other way, you're suddenly looking at 6 wins, 1 loss, and for Mumbai 3 wins, 4 losses. So I think वो भी एक काफी, and that's a very good thing that this break also happened. So there won't be any क्या बोलते हैं memories of the most recent match. So that is also a good thing for CSK in my opinion. But yeah, all in all, they look very solid. Let's get to the table toppers. Played 8 games, 6 wins, only team with 12 points, decent net run rate, new captain doing really well. The old captain comes back. What do you do with all that? क्या लगता है?
I think they are the strongest team for this season. I don't know इनके bowling changes कितने हुए, क्या रबाडा ये लोग सब है available है नहीं है, मेरे को idea नहीं है.
Yeah, Rabada not here available. Chris Wokes has pulled out, but the others are there.
Yeah, so all in all, they have a fabulous team actually. पिछले season में you now add this guy Shreyas Iyer to that batting lineup, makes it all the more powerful again. Just like Mumbai, they have superb openers in Prithvi Shaw and Dhawan. Dhawan has a point to prove. Even Shaw has a point to prove. So you may see a completely different game play from Shikhar Dhawan. And Pant है, Iyer है for batting, finishing के लिए भी they are good. Like Pant can hit out at any point. एंड आई थिंक एक और है राइट, वो क्या नाम है उसका, वेस्ट इंडियन लेफ्टी बंदा, वो हेटमायर. सो इवन ही इज गुड. सो ऑल इन ऑल अगेन या अश्विन है,
Ravi Ashwin, yeah, X Factor World Cup squad. He did not play any matches in England Test series, so he'll be fresh and
according to Gavaskar वो because he didn't play any games in that series, उसको बुरा ना लगे करके उसको T20 squad में खिलाया है. Not even kidding, he said this on air, man.
Sports तक whatever that channel was.
Yeah, तभी
so yeah, I think they are the, along with Mumbai, I think they'll be the team to beat. But to be very honest, I have really high hopes from RCB squad, considering the players that they have this time round. But I think all in all, we can go into the details of each team maybe sometime later. But I think it looks very interesting right now.
Yeah, I mean IPL है तो दिन में 3-4 घंटे तो वो उसी में निपट जाते हैं, तो मजा तो आता ही है. और उसके बाद उसके रिव्यूज और ट्विटर पे फालतूगिरी करने में भी मजा ही है. तो चलो सब करें साथ में मिलकर फालतूगिरी और एंजॉय करें सीजन को.
Let's see.
Yep.